Look at that. Oba tunalya ki?
Hello la nyama.
Ata. Ako kalo. Atembe.
Hello la nyama ta. Molokoni.
Hello Eating the African Way family. If this is your first time here, call me Nicholas. Today I was invited for lunch. And guess what? These people didn't cook. I think they wanted me to cook. That's why you don't see that Chitenji, our trademark. Some of you are not going to identify me because I'm putting on this, but I'm Nicholas. So we're going to make katogo, green banana matoke, the famous Ugandan food. And then we're going to mix it with groundnuts and then African eggplant, so bitter berries. And also along we're going to add in that flavor, the ghee. I hope you watched that video. If you didn't, I'm going to put the link in the description of this very video. And also we're going to accompany it with avocado, one of our favorite. Is it a vegetable or a fruit? Put that in the comment section. So please keep along and watch to the end and tell us what you would want to see next on Eating the African Way. So in Uganda, where I come from, any lady or any person who is going to peel matoke, you need to cover yourself. It is part of the culture and part of it shows that you're disciplined. You went through your elders. And also, if you don't want the sap from the green matoke to stick onto your fingers, you can use cooking oil. So I used a lot, but you can use less than this.
Remember your heritage. The African continent, so full of life, so full.
So I know some of you find it so hard to peel matoke, but it is one of the easiest thing you can do. So easy. The knife is so sharp. So also I hope you're watching this. The first one to go into the saucepan, you split it into 2 pieces.
Greetings. Mwazuka Bwanji. Kodeo, Kopango, Yoganoi, Shikamo Habari. Koizeo Mulembe.
The kind of food we are cooking, you can either have it for breakfast or for lunch. Okay. This is the last one and we'll get done with peeling. Then the next one is, those are going to be our easiest steps. You know what we do best? We eat.
Bold. Strong.
And also we offer classes for those who want to learn how to peel matoke. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel and also like the video, share us out, invite more people, more family members. Those in diaspora, you want to know more about what is happening in Uganda or where you come from, but there are so many ways you can see what is happening here, not only in news or entertainment, but we also have food. Don't forget that we have food. So keep watching. So this is what I was talking about. If you use oil, you don't get any sap on you get, but they can easily be cleaned off, just like that.
Talk about Africa. Talk about game reserves, national parks, waterfalls, islands. Wait a minute. Food. A minute. Food. Tulina mayuni. Sukali ndizi. Ebinyebwa. Ebyenyanja tulya. Eshabwe, Malekwang. So blessed with a variety of food. there is a Kwang, Achu soup, Sasa plantations, Accra banana, jollof rice, Kati Kati chicken. In Sudan, we have Kisra, El Marara, and Umfit.
So when you add in those onions, they always produce that good scent from the food. So right now we are going to add in the what? The groundnuts, but we're going to use the same water because we we used enough water to boil our matoke, not to steam. Steam use banana leaves. We are going to use the same water to mix the groundnuts, and then we put them wheezy our food.
Oh, how I love Africa, a beautiful continent. A lot of food, to mention but a few. Ugali, sukuma wiki, fufu, fried stew, agidi, and a lot more. Muevali.
Hope you're watching what is happening here. So some people use their fingers to mix the groundnuts, but with cold water. But I prefer using something because people who are watching might get disgusted. Also, hot water makes the mixture easy. After adding in the mixed groundnuts, you at that same point you add in the bitter berries. You have seen all the steps from peeling and all the arrangements and how we have boiled our matoke, and also we add in the groundnuts and then the bitter berries. Yeah, that's the name. And the last two, we have the most important we are going to add into this. That is ghee. Ghee adds in that flavor. Because if you watch that video of ghee, you know what I'm talking about. So we also go, when you're going to eat our food, you're going to also add in avocado, and that's a dish you should try out. Don't mind about where you are or which country you are. You can try this. This food is almost everywhere. Or you can make an order from Eating the African Way. We can deliver the food to you. This is the second last ingredient we're going to add into our kabelo. I mean our mixture, katogo. You know, Africans, we measure our salt with eyes. So last one is going to be our ghee. That one we've been talking about. That adds in that flavor, not ingredient. That flavor you can even smell from a distance. Is it smelling? That one, eh? Abali mabega wa kamera nabo oluzungu luganye. Hope you're still keeping yourself on Eating the African. This is the last ingredient we're going to add in. That is going to flavor our katogo. Our katogo. It is called ghee. Ooh la la. Oh wait.
Africa, Kodeo, Kopango, Yoganoi, Shikamo Habari.
But we're going to give it 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, 3 minutes and then we enjoy our food. So keep watching, don't go anywhere.
Aslema, Bonjour, Mbotenayo,
The spirit.
Our food is ready. As you can see, katogo. We call this katogo in our mother language, mother tongue. It's called katogo. Kabinye wane na matoke.
By God. This is us. This is who and what we are. Oh, set me down in Africa. The DNA of Africa flows in every fiber of our being. The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
In African traditional setting, men are not allowed to do that. But since I was the chef of the day, I think I need to take this opportunity to thank myself. A chef free. Hope you're feeling hope you're tasting what I'm tasting right now.
So much to talk about Africa.
Okay.
Talk about game results.
So this is going to be the end of this video. Feel free to comment, leave a comment. Tell us what you want to see next on eating. On eating the African way. Also, we are not supposed to talk when we are eating, but I need to tell you what is happening, what is on the ground. If you want to know who is behind the camera, check in the description box. So check in the description box. You get to know who is behind the camera. If anything goes wrong, just know.
I was poisoned. I poisoned myself.
So it is delaying me. Maybe let us go back to our roots.
Kati kati chicken. In Sudan, we have Kisra, El Marara, and
As I told you at the beginning of this video, I was invited for lunch and I ended up in the kitchen cooking.
stew made from peanuts, meat, tomatoes, and onions. We have cassava bread made from the flour, from the starchy root of
I think we should stop here. Woohoo! Yo, cha.
stew made from the
So I need to taste these bitter berries.
Oh, how I love Africa.
Eh, chinonga chinene. Ah, yeah.
A lot of food to mention, but ugali,
I know those in the diaspora you're missing this, but always allow me to bring this closer to your screens and also bring back those memories you used to have when you're home, Uganda. I think let us stop here. Catch up later in the next video. Mwah.